Now see what is a Bayes rule and its use. As we know that Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model which represent a set of variables and their conditional dependencies using a directed acyclic graph. Okay. See Bayes rule and its use. We define the product rule and pointed out that it can be written in two form. Number one is probability of A and B equal to probability of A given B into probability of B. Okay, this is the first formula, and second is probability of A and B equal to probability of B given A into probability of A. Okay, if probability of A given B is given in the question, then we use the first formula. If probability of B given A is given, then we use this formula. Equating the two right hand side and dividing by probability of A, uh, what is the formula is probability of B given A equal to probability of A given B to probability of B upon probability of A. Okay, so see we use this formula. uh, See how we use this formula. This equation is a Bayes rule. Which equation? This equation. Probability of B given A equal to probability of A given B into probability of B upon probability of A. This is a equation, and this equation is a Bayes rule. Okay, and also called Bayes rule or Bayesian theorem. This simple equation underline all modern AI system for probabilistic inferences. The more general case of multi-valued variable can be written in the probability notation as C. Probability of y given x equal to probability of x given y into probability of y upon probability of x. So this is the more general formula of Bayesian rule. Okay, this is the Bayesian equation. We will also have more general version, conditionalized on some background evidence E. If there is some evidence is also given, then the generalized form is probability of y given x. When some evidence is given, then probability of x given y and some evidence is given into probability of y given evidence upon probability of x given evidence. This is the more general formula of Bayesian rule. Okay, see, we have seen that Bayes rule can be useful for answering probabilistic query conditioned on one piece of evidence. Okay, we have argued that probabilistic information is often available in the form of probability of effect given causes. Probability of effect given causes. See, uh, see, applying Bayes rule on the surface, Bayes rule does not seem very useful. It required three terms. One is a conditional probability and two unconditional probability. Okay, for one is conditional probability and two unconditional probability. Just to compute one conditional probability, see how we compute it. For example, a doctor know that the disease which disease, meningitis, causes the patient to have a stiff neck, say 50% of the time. The doctor also knows some unconditional fact, the prior probability that a patient has meningitis is 1 by 50,000. Okay, and the prior probability that any patient has a stiff neck is 1 by 20 is given. Means probability that a patient has a meningitis is 1 by 50% is given, and probability that any patient have a stiff neck is 1 by 20 is given. Let S be the proposition that the patient has a stiff neck and M be the proposition that the patient has a meningitis. Okay, we are taking a variable S for stiff neck and we are taking a variable M for meningitis. Now see how we solve this question. See, probability of S, यानी कि S, we have taken a variable S for stiff neck. Probability of S means probability of stiff neck given meningitis equal to 0.5%, and probability of meningitis equal to 1 by 50,000 is given, and probability of stiff neck equal to 1 by 20 is given. Probability of stiff neck is 1 by 20 is given. Okay, so probability of meningitis given stiff neck equal to using this formula, which formula? Using this, probability of B given equal to probability of A given B into probability of B upon probability of A. Okay, see, probability of meningitis given stiff neck equal to probability of stiff neck given meningitis into probability of meningitis upon probability of stiff neck. Meningitis means a type of fever. Stiff neck means there is a pain inside the neck. Okay. Now see, 0.5. Why it is 0.5? Because probability of stiff neck given meningitis is given 0.5. So 0.5 into probability of meningitis is 1 by 50,000. So 0.5 into 1 by 50,000 upon 0.5 into 1 by 50,000 upon probability of stiff neck is 1 by 20. So right here 1 by 20. After calculation, we will get 0.0002%. Okay, this is the probability of meningitis given stiff neck. Okay, and the question is, what is the probability of stiff meningitis given stiff neck? Okay, and probability of stiff neck given meningitis is given, and they are asking that what is the probability of meningitis given stiff neck. The answer is 0.0002. Okay, this is how we can use the Bayesian equation to calculate the probability. Okay, this is all about the Bayesian rule and its use. Okay, thank you.